Dear viewers, I welcome you Vedavyasa Academy. We are completed uh, concepts of function. What is function and features of the function. F x to y is a function. F x to y is a mapping from x to y when it is function, when it is not function, and also discussed domain, range, codomain of the function. Here now we are discussing about types of functions. What are the types of functions? One or injective function. Types of function is very important. A function x to y is said to be one or injective of different distinct elements of x have distinct images in y. So suppose you take this is the function with x and this is the set x, this is set y. F a to b, we know set x have elements x1 x2, set y have the elements y1 y2, and the distinct elements of x have the distinct elements of y. Okay, associated with here domain of the function f is x1 x2, codomain or range of the function y1 y2. Then we say it is one function. F is f x to y is one or injective function, or moreover f of x1 is equal to f of x2 and this image is y1 is equal to y2 means what? Different elements or distinct elements in x is associated with distinct elements in y. Then we say it is one function or injective function. It is very important. Here one more important topic is many one function. One function is completed. Many one function. A function f x to y is said to be many one if there exist at least two distinct elements in x whose images are same. So here this is the function f x to y. This is set x and set y, non-empty sets x1 x2. This is y1 y2 y3. The set x having the elements x1 x2, set y having the elements y1 y2 y3. F is the function from x to y. Suppose the elements have the same image. Two elements have the same image in y. That is f of x1 is equal to y1, f of x2 is equal to y2. Then we say f x to y is the many one function. Many one function. Okay. If it is a one function, distinct elements of x have the distinct elements of y associated with distinct elements of y, then we say it is the f x to y is one function. Otherwise a function x to y is said to be many one function if there exist at least two distinct elements in x having the same images in y. Then we say it is many one function. This is the difference between one function, many one function. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, Here many one functions. Rule for checking whether the function f(x2y) is 1 or many one. Okay. Consider any 2 points x1 comma x2 belongs to capital X. Put f of x1 is equal to f of x2 and solve the equation. If we get x1 is equal to x2 only, then f is 1 1. Otherwise, it is many one function. So, you take function f of x is equal to x square. You take function f of x is equal to x square. Function is defined as f of x is equal to x square. x1 comma x2 belongs to capital X square. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then x1 square is equal to x2 square. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. So, what we say, if x1 is equal to x2 only, then we say f is 1 1 function. Is it 1 1 function? Not. It is many one function. Okay, all of you. You check for 1 1 function. If a linear equation f of x is defined as ax plus b like this, then what is the f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 a x1 plus b is equal to a x2 plus b. This is implies x1 is equal to x2. We say it is the 1 1 function. It is the many one function. Example, this is example and this is 1 1 function definition. Example. Okay, all of you. What is 1 1 function? What is many one function? You can say, you can show that Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams already given example. This is the many one function. What is 1 1 function? Here rules for checking whether the function f(x2y) is 1 1 function or many one. So this is the second rule. If a function is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing in the whole domain, means what? F dash of x is greater than 0, f dash of x is less than 0. For all x belongs to R. F dash of x greater than 0, f dash of x less than 0 for all x belongs to R, then it is 1 1. If we can't decide f dash of x greater than 0, f dash of x less than 0, then it is many one function. Okay, all of you. This is the second rule for many one function, deciding many one function or 1 1 function. One more condition for 1 1 function. If any straight line parallel to x-axis intersect the graph of the function at most 1 point, then the function is 1 1. Otherwise, it is many one function. That is, it intersects graph of the function at least 2 points. It is many one function. So you take the graph like this. Here f of x is equal to ax plus b graph. Suppose this is the graph. So you draw the line parallel to x-axis. It intersects only 1 point. This is x is equal to y is equal to k, which is parallel to x-axis. It intersects at only 1 point. Then it is f of x is a 1 1 function. Suppose one more. This is the function graph of the function. It is, you draw the line parallel to x-axis which cuts the curve at 2 points. This is not a 1 1. It is many one function. This is 1 1 function. Okay, all of you. This you remember this one. Here one more important rule, fourth one. Any continuous function f of x which has at least one local maxima or local minima in many one function. Whereas in many one function, continuous function, it is a continuous function having the maximum or minimum value, then we say it is many one function. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here fifth condition, all even function are many one function. All even function are many one function. All polynomials of even degree defined on R have at least one local maxima or minima. Then it is what? Many one function. And hence many one on the domain R. Polynomials of odd degree functions may 1 1 or many one. So you observe here a polynomial having even degree defined on R. Then we say it has at least one maximum value or minimum value on domain R, and hence the many one are on the domain R. Polynomials of odd degree may be 1 1 function or many one function. Okay, all of you. This is the condition 5th and condition 6th. Here one more interesting one rule for checking 1 1 function. If x and y are any two finite sets having number of x is equal to m, that means x have the m elements. Number of y is equal to n, that y have the n elements respectively. Then the number of 1 1 functions from x to y, that is npm. npm if n greater than or equal to m, 0 if n less than m. What is npm? npm is equal to n factorial by n minus m factorial. These are the number of 1 1 functions. Number of 1 1 functions from x to y. The finite x comma y are two finite sets. Number of x is equal to m. Number of y is equal to n. Then what is the 1 1 function? npm are the total number of 1 1 function if n greater than or equal to m. n less than m, then 0. The 0 1 1 functions. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here last rule, whether it is 1 1 function or many function, many one function, if number of x is less than or equal to number of y, then the number of many one function, many one functions from x to y is number of y whole power number of x. Suppose number of x is equal to p, number of y is equal to q. Then what is the q power p minus this is q, number of x is equal to n, number of y is equal to m. Then what is that? m power n minus m p n. So these are the if m is less than or n is less than or equal to m, this will be 0. m power n are the number of many one functions. Okay, all of you.